What is operations management? Operations management is a large term for several smaller subjects. When a company wants to operate smoothly, grow their business, satisfy customers, and make money, operations management is at work. E-commerce, global competition, customer service, productivity, and quality are all parts of operations management. Without globalization, it is impossible for a company to expand to a larger, more beneficial market. If a company does not have good customer service, then it will not have satisfied customers, and therefore no business and no profits. Productivity and quality must be at a maximum in order for them to make the most money for a business. All of these elements need to work together to create a successful business. So, what exactly is operations management? Operations management is the management of systems or processes that create goods or provide services. Let's start with goods. Goods are defined as physical items that include raw materials, parts, and subassemblies, as well as final products such as cell phones and automobiles. These goods cost the consumer money and are sold by a business. Services, on the other hand, are activities that provide some combination of time, location, form, or psychological value. These are also provided by a business. Examples of goods and services can be found all around us. All businesses have a supply chain. A supply chain is a process that is put in place by a company in order to gather materials, produce, and distribute their product. These supply chains can include a business's facilities, functions, and activities that are involved in producing and delivering a product or service. A supply chain sequence begins with raw materials and concludes at the final product which the customer purchases. There are 3 types of interrelated processes that businesses are composed of. These processes include upper management processes, operational processes, and supporting processes. Each of these is different and corresponds to different levels of a company, similar to their titles. All businesses, no matter what size, use these basic processes to produce and provide the products and services that we, as consumers, desire. Operations management includes many activities that a company uses to allow it to run more smoothly. These include forecasting, capacity planning, facilities and layout, scheduling, managing inventories, assuring quality, motivating and training employees, locating facilities, purchasing, distribution, and maintenance. Forecasting involves identifying trends in a company's past data in order to plan for the future. This allows for a company to be able to order raw materials, hire and fire employees, and identify the products that will be the most profitable in the near future. Forecasting goes hand in hand with capacity planning as well as purchasing. These activities would not be completed accurately without forecasting. Managing inventories also is closely related to capacity planning, purchasing, and forecasting. However, inventories are managed more often and with less lead time than the previously mentioned activities. Distribution is similar to managing inventories because of the lack of lead time given before a product needs to arrive to a customer. Motivating and training employees is an activity connected to assuring quality for the company. If a company's employees are motivated and excited to work, then the quality of a product is going to be better than if an employee didn't have that motivation. Placement of facilities is essential in the distribution of products to the customer and even the transportation of raw materials to a company. Locating the placement of a facility is based on the closeness of a supplier, as well as the cost of distribution and the distance to customers. So, why learn about operations management? Businesses are created to be profitable and successful. Things like forecasting, location planning, and quality assurance are essential in creating a profitable business. Without these tools, that wouldn't be possible.